We are the Student Enterprise team, and we are here to support students and recent graduates with any type of business they want to develop, whether that's sustainability focused or on social impact, freelancers, and those focused on commercial impact. We are here to support you.
We offer learning opportunities through our workshops. We provide funding to support that early stage where people are trying to validate their business idea. But probably most importantly, we're providing a community of support for our students, and to be able to get them connected with each other as well as other support that's available within the business ecosystem in Scotland.
We have a number of workshops available here at Edinburgh Innovations, from the very, very start of an idea all the way to later stage. We encourage you to come and join our community. It is an incredible place to be and grow. So we run a number of programs to give you a more structured entrepreneurial journey. These include Power Her Up, which is for our female entrepreneurs, PhD Max for our PhD students, and our Startup Summer Accelerator program.
A key aspect of any business is intellectual property, and we can help you understand what intellectual property you might have within your business, and then we can help you look at how to best protect that and turn that into a valuable aspect, whether that's through advice, meetings with patent attorneys, or potentially funding to cover some of those costs associated with that.
So we have a ton of really fantastic online resources as well. We have the Startup Community Platform, which allows our students and our entrepreneurs to connect with each other and find co-founders and team members. There's also a directory of all the different startups at the university. We also have the Enterprise Toolkit, which has a bunch of resources to help you start up.
You can engage with us at any stage of your journey, whether you are interested in starting a company or you just want to join the community. There will be something fun, engaging, and rewarding for you to do.